Hello everyone, I'm Ria Jangid. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will cover our video with the topic of explore how AI is impacting automobile industry. First, let me explain you what is automobile industry. The automobile industry is a vast and dynamic sector that encompasses the design, development, manufacturing, marketing, and sales of motor vehicles. It plays a crucial role in the global economy, contributing significantly to employment, technology innovation, and transformation infrastructure. AI is transforming the automobile industry in numerous ways. We will first talk about design and engineering. AI algorithms are aiding in creating aerodynamically optimized vehicles, reducing weight and fuel consumption. Companies like Ford and BMW are using AI to generate design variations, enhancing efficiency and innovations. Second, we will talk about manufacturing and quality control. AI-powered robots are increasingly used. Tesla and Toyota heavily invested in AI-driven automations, leading to faster production and higher quality standards. Then, advanced driver assistance system. AI fuels driver assistant features like lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and even semi-autonomous driving. Tesla's autopilot and General Motors Super Cruise are examples of AI-powered driving assistant systems pushing the boundaries of autonomous driving.